Eurowall's Florida product approved and HVAC approved impact rated folding doors boast the industry's largest panel sizes and can close virtually any size opening. Impact panels can be built up to 12 feet tall and widths up to 52 inches, with design pressures topping 100 plus or minus. These accordion-style folding doors create maximum throughput for foot traffic and truly eliminate the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. Customizable configurations are a key feature of this product line. Any opening can be designed to meet the goals of the end user, from a single stack location, split configurations, or design plans that call for daily egress doors, all achievable with Eurowall's folding doors. Customizable configurations do not end there. Postless corner doors, radius units, split height configurations, bar top applications are also unique options available with the same impact ratings as our standard layout options. When it comes to quality and security, Eurowall products are superior by design. Our 5-point locking handle, accompanied by our impact glass options, ensure your home or property is safe and secure. Our 10-year warranty is backed by state-of-the-art engineering, utilizing stainless steel hardware and precision sealed components to withstand the harsh coastal environments. All standard color extrusions utilize an AMA 2605 Kynar coating, the industry's best available coating finish to prevent against fading and chalking. Additional to our standard color options, custom color matches and faux wood grain finish options are available. Further customization for your project can be achieved with our ready-to-finish interior natural wood-clad veneer, custom SDL lights, and fully embedded sills to create a smooth and level interior to exterior transition. These are just a few of the options available for our folding door line to fully customize your project. Eurowall's impact-rated folding doors are strong, secure, and highly customizable, and will bring beautiful functional value to any project. To learn more about Eurowall's highly customizable impact-rated folding doors, visit our website at euro-wall.com.